Hands-on video of Redmi K30 Pro is finally here. Yes, Redmi K30 Pro has been launched officially in China yesterday, and here we have hands-on video, and I'll be sharing with you everything about this device. So the Redmi K30 Pro is one of the most anticipated phone till now from Redmi series. Last year Redmi K20 Pro was amazing, really good phone, and this K30 Pro is its successor. Well, look at this device, it is really beautiful. Talking about the design, then Redmi K30 Pro has this shiny plastic at rear side with the quad camera setup in circular shape. And talking about front side, then at front side it is all screen with 92.7% screen to body ratio, because unlike Redmi K30 it has pop-up selfie camera. Redmi K30 had a dual punch hole camera design, while this Redmi K30 Pro is having a pop-up style camera by giving us a full view experience. And this time the pop-up camera style is going to have 5 different notification LED light colors, and we have the completely bezel-less display, and this is an Amoled display with 180Hz of touch sensing and HDR10 Plus support as well to give you best colors while watching movies and playing games. And this is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5, and this phone is just a little bit more thicker than Redmi K30, maybe because of hardware specs. And at the top we have the IR blaster, audio jack and SIM tray, while charging port and speakers are located at bottom of the phone, and power and volume bricks are located at the right side of phone. And higher end variant of K30 Pro series has LPDDR5 RAM as well as UFS 3.1 storage, while basic one, which is priced at almost $425 not have these specs. It has LPDDR4 RAM and UFS 3.0 storage. And looking at zoom edition of Redmi K30 Pro, then it is incredibly designed. I mean, I love this matte finish at rear side of zoom edition, and I'm really a big fan of the matte finish. The zoom edition, as name suggests itself, that it has something high in its zoom area. Yes, this has 3 times optical zoom and 30 times digital zoom, which simply Redmi K30 Pro doesn't have. These zoom variants pictures we have already seen. This looks really amazing. You can also have a look at them, as we know this is going to be a cheapest flagship smartphone of all time, because it is packing up higher end flagship level features like Snapdragon 865 SoC with 6GB and 8GB RAM variants, and amazing camera sensor in both zoom as camera sensor in both phones is going to be same. It is Sony IMX686 with 64 megapixel resolution, which is capable of recording videos at huge 8K resolution, and both of these has 13 megapixel ultra wide angle. Non-zoom edition has a macro lens and a depth sensor, while zoom edition has a depth sensor and a telephoto lens with 3 times optical zoom. Now if we talk about batteries, then they have same 4700 milliamps of batteries with 33 watts of fast charging support that is claimed to charge your phone up to 100% in just 63 minutes. And there have been so much of rumors for 90Hz panel in Redmi K30 Pro, but let me tell you guys, there is no high refresh rate display in any of the phone. This is because Redmi explained that 10 months ago they decided that high refresh rate is not a factor, that our users want more than high-end specs like Snapdragon 865, 33 watts of fast charging, LPDDR5 RAM, UFS 3.1 storage and 64 megapixel brand new Sony IMX686 camera sensor. So that's why they decided to go without high refresh rate display. Well, I also think that this thing doesn't matter the most, as Redmi has planned to keep the price of this phone as much lower as possible to make it the cheapest flagship, so they have to ditch that high refresh rate thing. The zoom edition is not as cheap as the non-zoom edition, because zoom edition is priced at 3799 RMBs, which is almost $600. So this is absolutely going to be an cheapest flagship phone with high-end Snapdragon 865 processor, and obviously this K30 Pro Zoom edition takes extremely better photos with its telescope lens. And that's all for this phone. That was full hands-on video of this Redmi K30 Pro and K30 Pro Zoom edition, and I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to hit like and subscribe to channel for more smartphone reviews and news, and I'll see you in the next one.